Welcome back to Next Trend Invest. Hope you're having a great day, but if you don't, we will sure try to make it better. We would like to mention that this is not a financial advice. The video is for educational purposes only. In today's deep dive, we're exploring the thrilling opportunities within the entertainment industry, specifically investment in video games, streaming services, and the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future. Before we immerse ourselves, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this fascinating journey. Let's jump in. Investments in video games. First on our radar are investments in the ever-expanding universe of video games. This industry has transformed from a niche hobby to a global phenomenon, capturing the hearts of millions. Let's break it down. Consoles and platforms. Sony's PlayStation series has been a cornerstone in the gaming industry. The upcoming PlayStation 5 promises cutting-edge technology and a strong game lineup. Microsoft. With the Xbox Series X, Microsoft is making waves. The company's Game Pass subscription service is gaining popularity, providing a library of games for a monthly fee. Nintendo, known for innovation, has the immensely successful Nintendo Switch, appealing to a broad audience with its unique hybrid design. Game publishers. Electronic Arts, or EA, is a major player with popular franchises like FIFA, Madden NFL, and Apex Legends. The shift to digital distribution has bolstered its revenue streams. Activision Blizzard. With iconic franchises including Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and Overwatch, Activision Blizzard has a strong foothold in this industry. Ubisoft, a French giant, is known for franchises like Assassin's Creed and Far Cry, contributing to its consistent performance. Esports and streaming. Esports has become a global spectacle, with events filling arenas and drawing massive online audiences. Twitch dominates the live streaming landscape for gaming content with millions of streamers and viewers daily. Esports Entertainment Group. As esports giant mainstream attention, companies like Esports Entertainment Group are positioned to capitalize on the growing market. The gaming industry is projected to continue its upward trajectory, driven by technological advancements, the expansions of esports, and the global popularity of gaming. Streaming services for video and music. Moving on, let's shift our focus to the explosive growth of streaming services, transforming how we consume video and music content. Video streaming. Netflix is a pioneer in the streaming landscape with a vast library of original content. The company's subscriber base and global reach make it a formidable force. Disney Plus, launched in 2019, quickly became a major player with its extensive catalog of Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars content. Amazon's Prime Video, bundled with its Prime subscription, has a diverse content library and is a part of the larger Amazon ecosystem. Music streaming. Spotify is a dominant force in the music streaming industry with a vast library, personalized playlists, and a significant number of active users. Apple Music, integrated into Apple's ecosystem, boasts a large subscriber base and offers exclusive content and integration with Apple devices. Pandora, with its personalized radio stations, continues to be a popular choice for music enthusiasts. Supporting technologies. The success of streaming services is supported by advanced technologies including cloud infrastructure, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. Now let's explore the game-changing technological innovations shaping the entertainment sector. Virtual reality. Oculus, owned by Facebook, is a key player in the VR space, offering VR headsets and driving advancements in virtual experiences. HTC's Vive VR headset has gained acclaim, contributing to the immersive VR landscape. Augmented reality (AR). AR applications are expanding in both video games and real-world scenarios, with companies exploring ways to integrate AR into everyday experiences. Cloud gaming. NVIDIA's GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service allowing users to play high-end games on low-end hardware. Google Stadia. Google Stadia aims to revolutionize gaming by offering high-quality, cloud-based gaming without the need for dedicated hardware. As we conclude our exploration of investments in the entertainment industry, it's clear that the landscape is dynamic and full of exciting opportunities. Video games, streaming services, technological innovations, and the integration of IoT are reshaping how we consume and engage with entertainment. Thanks for watching, and here's to the exciting journey ahead. We would like to mention that this is not a financial advice. The video is for educational purposes only. And don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom on conquering your aspirations. Good luck with your goals.